Hey, it's Gina and Scully with WTI. And if you're looking for an adorable bed for your cat to keep their fur away from your furniture while they're sleeping, then you've got to check out this supercar that I got from VIEFIN. At first, when I put Scully in the bed, she pretty much jumped right out of it. But then I put it in her favorite sleeping spot, which is on this couch, and she totally took to it. She curls up and goes straight to sleep, and it is so nice and warm and comfy for her. This bed will come compressed, so you're going to need to kind of help it along to get it into more of the shape that it looks like in the picture. Of course, it's soft, so it will flop around a little bit too, but if you kind of work with the cushions, so it'll give you more of that structured car look if you put a little bit of effort into plumping the cushion inside the bed. This is such a fun bed to have, and Scully loves it. I think you should check it out too, and that's my point of view.